morning students. Today we are discussing the chapter is geometric chapter, circle topic. This circle is the last topic of the geometry. Let's see the topic circle. A round plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from the center is called circle. From boundary it has a round circle. It is a round circle. So this is a boundary circle. This is called circle. So see, in this point to any length, the length will be same. Okay, equidistance. It's maintained. The circle maintains equal distance. Okay. Look at the following figures in the circle. There is a point O. So take this point O and see, this point is called the center of the circle. This point is called the center of the circle. This point is called the center of the circle. Next, the distance of a point on the boundary of the circle from its center is called the radius. The distance of a point on the boundary of the circle. The distance of the point from boundary of the circle. This is called radius. What is this? Radius. Okay, from O, take a point Q. Okay, that is called radius. Let's see. The distance, this point is called the center of the circle. Thus, OA represents the radius of the circle. Just put A. OA represents the radius of the circle. And see, OB and OC also represent the radius of the circle. O, A, O, B, O, C. O, A, O, B, O, C are represents the radius of the circle. So, this is one of the radius of the circle. This is one of the radius. That is one of the radius. Okay, if you have to take here, you can take. That is also radius of the circle. So, see, from one point to boundary. From center point to boundary is radius. Okay, now do you understand what is radius? From center point to boundary is the radius. Let's see. Let x and y be 2 points on the boundary of the circle. X and y are the boundary of the circles. Join x and y by the line segment. X and the line segment xy is called a chord of the circle. For example, if you take a boundary circle, take a point. If they are coincide any point, any 2 points with a line segment means straight line. Any 2 points, if you are joined any 2 points, that will becomes chord. If you are joined any 2 points, here to here, this is also a chord. Okay, here to here, this is also a chord. Okay, these 3 are the chords. We have many chords in the circle. We have many chords. If you are take these 2 points, this 2 point, this 2 point, these all are will make the chord. Okay, let's see. PQ is also a chord of a circle. PQ is also a chord of a circle, but the center O of the circle is on this chord. Here it starts with this point to this point. Okay, now PQ is also a chord of a circle. PQ. So here you observe the points P and Q. Okay, it's the line comes from a P point to Q point with the center point. Okay, it goes with the center point from P also a one of the what? Chord. This is one of the chord. The longest distance of the chord is middle point. Okay. It goes with a middle point. Let's see. The length of such a chord is called the diameter. This is called the diameter of the circle. Every chord of the circle through the center O is called a diameter. So, this is called a diameter. Let's see some facts. Observe these circles. To all length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Throughout the circle, that is called the circumference. Next, if P is a point on the boundary of the circle, we say that P is a point on the circumference. So, this point P is a circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So, see the facts. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. If you are take a circle, it will has the diameter. This is the diameter now. So every diameter, if you take this circle, this diameter and this diameter also a chord. But every chord is not a diameter because it's not go with a center point, right? So if it is goes with a center point, that is a diameter. Let's see the another point. The diameter is the longest chord in any circle. See, it has a one diameter. If you are take these 2 points, it makes the chord. But here you see, this length is shorter than this length. So, this is the big chord, right? So, longest chord is diameter. Let's see, a circle has many radii, chord and diameters, but it has only one center point. Radii, chord and diameters. It has diameters, radius, next chord, but it has only one center point. It has only one center point, right? Every circle has only one center point. So see, for example, have you seen a compass? Did you see the compass? See, this is the compass box. Did you see it anywhere? Yes. You see, in this compass, see here, we have some things, divisor, eraser, pencil, set squares, next set square 45 degrees, set square 60 degrees, scale 15 centimeters, next protractor 180 degrees and sharpener. It has the things. Okay. Let's see what is this. What is this? This is a circular. This is a circular. Use this circular and you draw the equal distance of the circle. Use this circular and you draw the equal distance of the circle. For suppose if you are take the paper, see some measurement. Take some measurement 2 point or 5 point something. So put like this. Okay. This is the base point and draw some circle. Okay. In this circle, the center point is this one. So this is the center point of O. Just consider the center point of O. Observe this. 2 points are coinciding here. This is a chord. This is chord. If you take a line here, from here to here, PQ, this is a diameter. That is diameter. If you take from this point to another point, that will make radius. So, you understood how to draw the circle? Okay, Nana? I will tell in the next class how to draw with measurements, how to draw the circles with measurement. Okay, all of you? Thank you.